How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 71 Buick Gran Sport, done in its original Arctic White, black interior. They did the GSX stripe on the side. Looks really tough. So I really like the hood on these cars with the two scoops. It's got all the original grille, original bumper. Everything's really nice. They got a little bit of patina to the bumpers. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. It's the original rear bumper. You see it's got a little bit of aging in it, a little bit of patina if that's what you want to call it. So it's just a real good looking car, and there's not a lot of these Buick Gran Sports out there either. Just a real fun car to drive, cruise, go to the cruise nights, hang out with all your friends. It's got the original 350 in it. They did upgrade to a stage 2 cam. It's got aluminum intake and a Holly on it. It's got the factory ram air cleaner. It's got power steering, power brakes, air conditioning blows cold. All the jams look real good in the car. A lot of the interior is the original, some of it's been replaced. The dash all looks real good. Headliner's got a few wrinkles in it. It's not tore or anything, just got a few wrinkles, could be a little tighter. Seats all look real good, all the front and rear seat belts. Original center console. Trunk's all real nice in the car. Got your factory jack, spare. Everything's there. They put a tach in the dash, nicely mounted it in the dash. Got a set of gauges there under the dash. A little more accurate than the factory idiot lights and that. Thing fires right up. Nice little cam in it. Just got a stock type muffler on it. If you had a set of flows on it, it really sound good. Backup lights, everything work. It's just a super nice car. I tell you, the car drives out beautifully. It's just a real fun car. You can check out the complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.